Hey everyone! Welcome back to Slow English Channel, where learning English feels calm, real, and full of small victories. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Paul. Hello, friends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing English family. We learn together, laugh together, and sometimes struggle together too.
That's true. Today's episode is special. We're going to talk about something that can change the way you learn forever. How to train your brain to speak English.
Train my brain? That sounds serious. Like gym for my mind.
Exactly. You go to the gym for your body, but how often do you exercise your English brain?
Oh, that's good. I think my English brain needs a workout. It's been sleeping for years.
Well, Paul, today we're waking it up, step by step. But first, everyone watching, please hit that like button and comment below. I'm ready to train my brain. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
Yes, do it. Because what we share today can make English feel natural, like breathing.
Okay, Paul, let's start simple. When you speak English, what happens inside your head?
I think in my language first, then I translate, then I speak the English word.
Exactly. And that's the problem. Translation makes your brain slow.
Yes, sometimes my mouth freezes while my brain is busy finding the right word.
That's why our goal is simple. Think in English. No translation, just pure English thoughts.
Wow, that sounds powerful, but how do I do that?
We start small, really small, like tiny baby steps.
How small are we talking about?
A word, or even better, a short sentence. For example, I hold a pen. I don't just think pen, I think this is my pen.
Ah, this is my pen, or my pen is blue.
Perfect! You're already doing it. These small sentences are the first bricks in your English brain.
So I can do this anywhere, anytime.
Exactly. When you wake up, think, I'm awake. I'm hungry. I want coffee. When you walk outside, say in your head, the sky is blue. The air feels cold.
So easy, but so powerful. I like it. It's like living my life in English.
That's the magic. You're connecting English to your life, not to your language.
Ah, English life. No translation. I like that.
Yes, Paul, this is your first secret. Think in small sentences all day.
Got it. Tip number 1. Small sentences, big change.
Now, let's move to tip number 2, input.
Input?
Yes, input means English going into your brain. You hear it, you see it.
Like this podcast?
Exactly. You're listening to English right now. This is input.
So, the more I listen, the more English goes in.
Yes, and your brain starts to notice patterns, the rhythm, the music of English.
Music of English. I like that phrase. It's like my brain is dancing with words.
That's beautiful, Paul. And it's true. When you listen to simple English, like this channel or songs, or short videos, your brain begins to feel the language.
But Emily, sometimes I get bored, listening again and again.
Then choose topics you love. For example, what do you enjoy?
I love cooking.
Perfect. Watch simple cooking videos in English. The chef says, cut the tomato, add salt. Your brain connects action with words.
Oh, that's smart. And I also like football.
Then listen to short football news. He kicks the ball. It's a goal. You'll enjoy it and learn naturally.
So fun equals learning.
Yes, a happy brain learns faster. When English becomes fun, your brain opens like a window on a sunny day.
Ah, I can feel that. So tip 2 is all about listening and watching things I love.
Exactly. That's called input. Podcasts, songs, YouTube videos, anything simple and enjoyable.
And all of this becomes food for my English brain.
Yes, delicious English food.
My brain is hungry. Okay, what's next?
Now comes tip number 3, output.
Ah, English out.
Exactly. Input is English in. Output is English out. Speaking, writing, or expressing what's in your head.
But Emily, what if I have no one to talk to? I live alone.
You have the best partner, yourself.
Speak to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Then be crazy in English. Talk to yourself in your room, in the car, even in the shower.
In the shower? Okay, that's new. But what do I say?
Describe what you see. For example, this is my room. The bed is big. The lamp is on.
I see a table. The table is brown. There are 2 chairs. Wow, it feels strange but good.
Exactly. That's your brain finding words. You're not translating. You see the bed and you say bed.
So I'm connecting English with my real world.
Yes, that's how you build your English brain, not by memorizing, but by living it.
I can even talk about my day, right? Like, today I was happy. I ate pasta. I talked to Emily.
Perfect. You're speaking English with real emotion. That's output.
So I don't really need a partner to start.
Exactly. A partner helps, but you can begin with yourself.
Wow. Tip 3. Speak to yourself, describe your world, and your English will come alive.
Beautifully said. That's it. Small sentences, input, output.
Emily, this already feels easier than grammar books.
Because it's natural. It's how babies learn. They don't study grammar. They listen, they think, they speak.
Oh, that makes sense. Babies don't translate. They just live the language.
Exactly. And you can do the same no matter your age.
That gives me hope. So how long until my brain changes?
Slowly, Paul. Be patient. Think of it like growing a tree. You water it a little every day, and one day it gives shade.
I like that. English tree. I'll water it daily.
And even if you make mistakes, don't stop. Mistakes are proof you're learning.
Oh, that's a relief. I said, I is happy yesterday.
Then you're learning fast. Just correct and keep going.
Okay, so
Tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input. Tip 3, output.
Emily, this feels great already, but sometimes I study hard and still forget everything the next day. Why does my brain do that?
That's a good question. Your brain forgets because it's tired of stress, not because it's weak. You study too much, too fast, and without joy.
Oh, like when I try to read 20 pages and remember nothing.
Exactly. Learning English is not a sprint. It's a gentle walk. You don't need 2 hours every day. Just 10 or 15 minutes of real focus is enough.
10 minutes? That sounds easy.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small steps build strong habits.
So it's not about studying hard, it's about studying smart.
Yes, and kindly. Be kind to your brain. Talk to it like a friend. Hey, brain, let's enjoy this.
Hello, brain. Let's learn together.
Exactly. When your mind feels safe, learning becomes easier. Fear closes the door, fun opens it.
That's true. When I relax, I remember more.
Because emotion is memory's best friend. If you smile while learning, your brain keeps the lesson longer.
So emotion helps me remember English words?
Yes, that's why we laugh, use stories, and connect English with your real life. The stronger the feeling, the stronger the memory.
Wow, that explains a lot. When I hear a song I love, I never forget the lyrics.
Exactly. Music, emotion, laughter, all are secret doors to your English memory.
Emily, can I share something?
Of course.
When I first started learning, I used to sit at my desk repeating grammar rules. I was so serious. But now, when I watch short English videos about football, I feel alive. I start to feel the language.
That's beautiful, Paul. You see, English is not a test. It's a tool for life, for friendship, work, and dreams.
I like that. English for life, not for exams.
Yes, when you make that change in your heart, your brain will follow.
So if I learn with emotion, with small sentences, with fun input and output, I can train my brain naturally.
Exactly. You're not memorizing anymore. You're building connections, like small lights turning on in your mind.
And every light is one new English word that stays with me.
Yes, you're rewiring your brain, creating a small English world inside.
That's such a powerful image. And you know what? It gives me hope.
Hope is the real energy of learning. When you believe you can change, you already have.
That's deep. I think many people need to hear that.
Yes, because so many learners feel like failures when they forget words. But forgetting is part of remembering. Every time you forget, your brain says, let's try again.
So mistakes are not bad, They're messages.
Exactly. Messages that say, keep going, you're learning.
I like that. I'll remember this next time I make one.
Good. And now, let's make this real for everyone watching.
Yes, dear listeners, this is your part. What can you do today to train your English brain?
Maybe start by thinking in English right after this video. Look around your room and say 3 sentences aloud.
Like, this is my chair. My phone is on the table. The window is open.
Perfect. That's your first training round.
Then listen to something you love in English. A short podcast, a song, or a video from High English Channel.
Yes, and speak out loud for just 2 minutes. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you.
I love that. Not perfect, just me. That's powerful.
Because confidence grows from action, not from waiting.
You're right. Every small action tells your brain, I can do this.
And soon, you will surprise yourself. You'll start thinking in English without even noticing.
That's when English becomes part of who you are.
Yes, that's the goal. Not just to learn English, but to live it.
Emily, I think this message is bigger than English. It's about life, too.
Absolutely. Every time you train your brain, you train your courage. You teach yourself to keep going, even when it's hard.
That's so true. Learning English is like learning to believe again.
Yes, Paul. And to everyone listening, your English journey is not about perfection. It's about progress.
Step by step, word by word.
Exactly. And one day, you'll look back and realize you did it. You built your English world.
Wow, that gives me chills.
And we'll be here cheering for you. Every episode, every word.
Before we close, Emily, can we do a quick review for everyone?
Of course. 3 tips to train your English brain. Tip 1, think in small sentences. Connect English to your life. Tip 2, input. Listen and watch things you love in English. Tip 3, output. Speak, write, or describe your world.
And remember, be patient, be kind, and have fun.
Beautiful summary, Paul.
Thank you. And to everyone watching, if this helped you, please hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Slow English Channel.
Yes, your support helps us bring more warm, simple, and powerful English stories every week.
And now we have a little question for you.
Yes, leave a comment below and tell us, what do you do to train your brain in English? Do you sing in English, talk to yourself, or watch funny videos?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to the person you want to become.
So keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing.
This is Emily from Slow English Channel.
And this is Paul.
See you next time and keep training your beautiful English brain.